use a food processor. 5 easy steps to quick prep. Using a food processor quickly expands your possibilities in the kitchen. This versatile appliance is more than just a fast chopper. It allows you to prepare ingredients, create pastes, knead dough, shred cheese, and even slice vegetables with precision. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone just starting out in the culinary world, a food processor can be an invaluable tool that elevates your dishes to new heights. Beyond just its efficiency, it offers precision and consistency that's hard to achieve by hand. Navigating through its various attachments and functions might seem daunting at first, but once you grasp its basics, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. This helpful guide will provide you with insights and tips to make the most out of your food processor, ensuring that each meal preparation becomes a delightful experience. Parts of a food processor. 1. Food processor blades. Every time I use my food processor, I marvel at its efficiency. And you know what's at the heart of it all? The food processor blades. These blades are versatile, allowing us to chop, grate, blend, and more. From tough nuts to delicate herbs, they handle it all. I recommend always ensuring they're sharp and clean for best results. 2. The body. When you use your food processor, the bowl is where all the action happens. It's spacious and designed to hold both dry and wet ingredients. It's crucial to ensure this part is firmly locked into place before you start to avoid any mishaps. 3. The disc. Apart from the blade, food processors come with other attachments, like the disc. The disc is perfect for slicing and shredding. Think quick coleslaw or potato slices for that au gratin you've been craving. And then there's the blender attachment. While traditional blenders are great for smoothies and soups, when you use your food processor's blender, you'll find it offers a different, often more powerful blending experience. 4. Power and control. The base of the food processor houses the motor. It's the powerhouse that drives those blades and discs. When you're ready to chop or grate, this is what you'll be controlling. It's usually equipped with various speed settings, offering you more precision in your culinary endeavors. 5. The lid. The last, but definitely not the least, is the lid. It ensures that while you use your food, everything stays inside, keeping your kitchen mess-free. Step-by-step guide in how to use a food processor. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to mastering this appliance, peppered with my personal recommendations. 1. Understanding the types of food processors. Before diving into the operation, it's essential to understand the different types of food processors. The most common are the standard-sized processor bowl and the mini chopper. The larger ones often come with a work bowl that can handle more substantial amounts of ingredients. The mini chopper is perfect for smaller tasks like making a puree or sauce. 2. Setting up your food processor. Unplug your processor. Safety first. Place the processor on a flat surface. Attach the work bowl or processor bowl to the base. Most bowls twist into place. Depending on what you're preparing, choose your blade or disc. If you're making bread, for instance, the dough blade is your friend. For dicing, you can use an S-shaped blade. Yet, I recommend always making sure everything is locked in place before plugging in and turning on the appliance. 3. Adding ingredients and processing. With your food processor unplugged, add ingredients to the work bowl. Place the lid on the processor and ensure the pusher is in the feed tube. Plug the processor back in. Use the pulse button for better control, especially when you're still getting the hang of it. The pulse function allows you to process in short bursts, so you don't overdo it. Need a smooth puree? Let it run continuously until you achieve the desired consistency. For beginners, I recommend starting with simple food processor recipes. Once you get the hang of the basics, the culinary world is your oyster. 4. Food processor setting. Now that your food processor is properly assembled, you're ready to make culinary magic by effortlessly chopping, mincing, pureeing, shredding, slicing, mixing, or kneading your ingredients. With its versatile functions, the possibilities are endless. Delicious recipes to try in a food processor. Food processors are a fantastic kitchen tool, saving you time and effort in preparing a variety of dishes. I've chosen 4 of my favorite recipes that you can whip up in no time using this handy gadget. 1. Fresh basil pesto. Runtime, 5 minutes. Ingredients: 2 cups packed fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup pine nuts, 3 garlic cloves, half cup grated Parmesan cheese, half cup olive oil, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Instructions: add basil, pine nuts, and garlic to the food processor and pulse until coarsely chopped. Add Parmesan and pulse again. While the processor is running, slowly drizzle in olive oil. Season with salt and lemon juice. I recommend serving it fresh over pasta or as a sandwich spread. 2. Creamy hummus. Runtime 10 minutes. Ingredients: 2 cups of drained and rinsed canned chickpeas, 1/4 cup tahini, 2 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/4 cup olive oil, half teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons cold water. Instructions: in the food processor, combine chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and spices. Process until smooth. While the machine runs, stream in olive oil and cold water to achieve a creamy texture. I recommend garnishing with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika and serving with warm pita bread. 3. Salsa fresca. Runtime 7 minutes. Ingredients: 4 large tomatoes, half cup chopped red onion, half cup chopped cilantro, 1 jalapeno pepper, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 garlic clove, half teaspoon salt. Instructions: place all ingredients in the food processor. Pulse several times until ingredients are finely chopped but not liquefied. I recommend chilling for at least 1 hour before serving with tortilla chips. 4. Peanut butter banana ice cream. Runtime 15 minutes. Ingredients: 3 sliced and frozen ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: place frozen banana slices in the food processor and blend until they reach a crumbly texture. Add peanut butter, honey, and vanilla extract. Process until creamy, resembling soft serve ice cream. Cleaning and maintenance. Food processor safety. Through my experience and research, I've learned the best ways to care for this essential kitchen tool. Let me guide you through it. Supplies you'll need: dish soap. A mild dish soap is perfect. You'll need just a few drops mixed with warm water. Soft cloth or sponge. This will help in scrubbing without scratching your processor parts. Soft bristled brush. Helps in reaching those intricate parts of the blades and accessories. Vinegar and baking soda. Both are essential for deep cleaning and removing stubborn stains. Around a cup of each should suffice for a thorough cleaning. Step-by-step cleaning process. 1. Unplug first. Always start by unplugging your food processor. It's a crucial safety measure to prevent any accidental startups. 2. Disassemble the parts. Carefully take apart your food processor. This usually includes removing the lid, the blade, and the bowl. 3. Soak and scrub. Fill your sink with warm, soapy water. Place the detached parts in and let them soak for a few minutes. Using a soft cloth or sponge, gently scrub each part. For those tricky nooks and crannies, I recommend using the soft bristled brush. 4. Rinse and dry. Once you've scrubbed all parts, rinse them under running water to remove any soap residues. Let them air dry or use a soft cloth to wipe them down. Final thoughts. To harness the full potential of a food processor, one must invest time to learn how to use it effectively. With a myriad of food processor models available, it's crucial to familiarize oneself with the particular functions and attachments of the model you're using. When feeding ingredients, the food pusher is an essential tool that ensures safety and consistency. However, a word of caution is to make sure you don't use blades or attachments not designed for your specific model, as this can lead to inefficiencies and potential damages. By following guidelines and practices, anyone can become adept at using this versatile kitchen tool.